What is up YouTube? Nick from TutorialTellers. Welcome back to another video. This video is a little bit different. I recently picked up a old, new to me daily work truck. I purchased a 1992 S10 Tahoe as a work truck, and this is the dome lens replacement. Right now the truck has no lens, so it's just the exposed bulb. As you guys can see at the top right, the part number is 74323. This is the Doorman Help Dome Lens. This is pretty much the only lens that's on the market for the S10, and this isn't clear. It's kind of like whitish. Picked this up from Advanced Auto Parts. I'm pretty sure AutoZone has it as well, but I picked it up for around $3 and some change USD, and with the tax it's probably around $4.20, something around there, so it's pretty affordable. So this is what the dome currently looks like in my S10, and with this piece right here, it'll look a lot better. So as you guys see on the dome, there are two little slots for the lens cover to go in. And if I pull out my lens cover, you can also see that there are two little nipples on. And pretty much all you need to do is squeeze both sides where the nipples are and put them in the hole of the dome, and it should pop just like that. If I go ahead and switch the light on, that's what it looks like. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.